Hi. So here we are at the house of my Qase vuli, which means my teacher. She's the one who's the brave soul teaching my husband and I to try to learn this Fijian language here. And one thing about the Fijian culture is they love to eat and they're very proud of their food. Yes. So one thing that we would like to show you today is a very traditional food that they eat in Fiji, and that begins with coconuts. Everybody thinks of coconuts when they come to Fiji. So we're going to show you how they open these coconuts and they husk them and they scrape them to make the coconut miti that they eat. So here we go. So now she's just gonna cut this thing in half, and then we'll be able to scrape all of the coconut flesh from the inside of it too. Would you like me to hand you this here?
Yes, please.
Okay. She's a lot braver than I am. She's gonna use this big thing here.
Okay, hold on.
Now, let's see how it goes when the vulangi does it. The vulangi, that's the foreigner. That would be me. Okay, now this is only my second time ever doing this, okay? All right.
You sit first?
Yes. Is that this? If I was
Okay,
going
this
to
is
do
what you
this
do.
every day.
This is what you do when you scrape the edges.
Yeah?
You turn it that way,
Oh.
and then you keep on going forward and round.
Okay. Here you see, we have this bowl of scraped coconuts. This is from 2 coconuts,
Yes.
is that correct? 2 whole coconuts right here. Okay, and they take this, and now she's gonna squeeze the coconut milk out of this. Okay.
Now, this part is easier than the scraping and the husking part. It's done. So now we are going to garnish the miti.
These are some purple chilies that they grow here in Fiji. So we're gonna take this miti over, and the traditional Fijian way to eat is sitting on a mat. And so we're gonna bring it over here where Salote has some fish cooked and some root crop, and we'll eat this on top of it. Okay, so this is a very traditional Fijian meal. One of their root crops, sweet potatoes, they call kumala, and fish that you've boiled with some onion, it looks like.
Onion, ginger, and pepper.
Okay, and so then they put this on their plate, they put the miti over it, and they eat it with their root crop. So I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty hungry, so as they say in Fiji, mai kana. We'll see you next time.